Oh, me too. What I do is like, you see how I'm doing right here? I hold this. It kind of like stabilizes it, because otherwise.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, yes, bro.
Bro, why are you shaking so bad? I don't know. I'm fucking nervous.
It's like
Oh, there it goes.
like it's a test or something.
There it goes.
You know what I mean?
How many we get right now?
One. Mine.
It's yours?
Yep.
There they are. Number
2. There's mine. It's either that one or the bottom one, because mine's got.
Do the bottom one. I think it's gonna be the.
Should be, because it's. It can't be any of those. It has to be that one or that one.
This is exciting.
All right, boys. It's the green one going away. All right, guys, so it'll be, this is my C8 coming in. We'll get it unloaded, do the PDI, and get it all going.
With you now.
Oh, I know he is. But it's funny because I'm sure they don't know whose car it is.
No idea.
How did they know it's coming? They knew exactly when to be here. Even
I'm sure it's all over the forums.
GM just took me out. I was pinging it every 30 minutes on OnStar because I had signed up for OnStar. I linked it, and
They pull you off.
right about Shreveport, they knocked me off.
Oh wow.
I was like, man.
You're gonna go up there and get that co-start?
I'm going to.
Come on.
I mean, he ain't out of the truck yet.
He's like, fuck, man, this guy looks heavy.
I'm sure. People will probably honk it at him on the highway.
Oh, I'm sure, for sure. How annoying is this? How annoying is it getting recorded every time you stop, man?
Hey man, I'm saying, dang, are they waiting on it to wait?
This is mine. I'm waiting.
yeah?
It's
Yeah.
mine. I've been waiting since September 12th.
Oh yeah?
Must be a good day for you.
Oh yeah.
Making everybody smile, huh?
Yeah, brother, watch it.
Here she is, boys. Bertha, my girl.
Corvettes are in, huh?
Mine.
It's the baby, huh?
Yep. I traded in that green one for it. All right,
yeah?
some other ones, yeah.
They told you you were gonna be here today?
I've been pinging you on OnStar. I knew when you were in Shreveport.
Oh yeah.
I was following you. I was following you since yesterday. About 7 o'clock, about 7, 8 o'clock. You went through like Texarkana, went down to Shreveport. I've been watching you, man. 7:30ish. You were in Dallas delivering a car, right?
Oh no, I went to Canton, Texas.
Yeah, you were delivering at 7:30. Hey, I've been watching. Hey, if GM didn't cut off my ping, I was gonna drive to you and follow you here. They shut me off about 5 hours ago.
Oh, they did?
They wouldn't let there. They sent me a message saying I had to go to my car to re-ping it.
Yeah.
They said you got a link to your car. They knew what I was
They
doing.
know they had that going on.
They're like, this motherfucker's
I'm like,
tracking his shit.
I was telling my buddies, I said, man, it's like they know I'm coming with this thing or something.
If you're smart, you'll get onto the OnStar. I can ping it, and I go to your shipping company, the Jack Cooper or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
I can see where shit. I type in my VIN. I can see what y'all. Every time y'all make a checkpoint or a stop, it tells me.
Yeah,
Cause you know, like, if you stop, you know how you have to be like, oh, why are you stopped?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, they tell me too.
Yeah, yeah.
I just want to get the start up for it. That's what I've been waiting for. You're the first man to start all these people's Corvettes. I bet you must be happy.
Well, hey, they started them a couple times. I think they might
Yeah, some of them were delivered with some miles on them too. So
yeah, that's what I heard of.
yeah, some has 64 miles and shit on them.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this one better not.
Hey, you watch that for me?
What? Oh, I got you.
Make sure I can get in there. I want to make sure that,
Yeah.
is it
You're good.
hold it as far as you can. That's good right there.
Oh, you're good. I got you. Believe me, I ain't gonna scratch the baby.
All right, good deal.
It's the first time the girl moves in Texas. First time she's moving. You're good? No, it's it was is this thing right here slid down.
Oh, okay, got it now.
You're good. There we go, boys.
Is it? That's how I get them to check it.
I'm doing I do PDI.
Oh, you're doing? Oh, okay. You're doing PDI.
No, we're just gonna just park it. You can just park in one of the spots.
Okay, right in that open spot.
He can just park in a spot, right? Yeah. Cause he said he's gotta get some. I said, no, just park it. We'll fucking look it over. So we're doing that.
Park it.
Have you just pull it right over here?
Yeah.
Not next to anything.
Yeah.
Was your heart pounding whenever he was?
Bro, did he tell you about my fucking? I was like, I had to hold out shaking, bro.
When he was coming off when it slid, I was like, oh God, please don't do anything wrong.